Hi chipmunks, squirrels and kittens. Did you all have a nice long weekend? I'm so glad. And now we're ready to sing some songs. This is my favorite part of the day. Okay, we're first going to sing about two little dicky birds. You ready? Here comes the music. Show me your two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter and one named Paul. Now we're going to do the goldfish swimming in the tank. Goldfish swimming in the tank. One named Freddie, one named Frank. Swim away, Freddie, swim away, Frank. Swim back, Freddie, swim back, Frank. Two little goldfish swimming in the tank. One named Freddie and one named Frank. Okay, now it's the caterpillars. Two little caterpillars sitting on a branch. One named Betty, one named Blanche. Crawl away, Betty, crawl away, Blanche. Crawl back, Betty, crawl back, Blanche. Two little caterpillars sitting on a branch. One named Betty and one named Blanche. One named Betty and one named Blanche. Well done! You sang that so beautifully. Okay, listen for the next one. Get ready with your hands. We're gonna rub your hands as slowly as you can. Now fast. Rub your hands as quickly as you can. Slowly wiggle your fingers as slowly as you can. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your fingers as quickly as you can. Get ready to pound. Pound. Pound your fists as slowly as you can. Pound, pound, pound your fists as quickly as you can. Good. Show me your wheels. There's the music. Here it comes. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all over town. The up and down, up and down. The windows on the bus go up and down, all over town. The wipers on the bus go swish, swash, swash, swish, swash, swash, swish, swash, swash. Wipers on the bus go swish, swash, swash, all over town. The hooter on the bus goes pop, 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 pop. The hooter on the bus goes pop, 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 all over town. Well done, everybody. Okay, now I've got a surprise for you. All of you, quickly, be sleeping bunnies. Lie down. Close your eyes like a sleeping bunny. That's it. Are you ready? See the sleeping bunny sleeping till noon. Let us go and wake them with a merry tune. Oh, how still are they ill. Wake up bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Jump up bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Wake up bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Jump up bunnies, hop, hop, hop. That was fun. Okay, everybody, I'm going to see you a little bit later again. Bye.